Hi guys, for this video guys, ang kainin namin ngayon guys, ice cream. Ito guys, itong kakainin namin ngayon guys. Snack namin to ngayon guys. Kasi may trabaho ko doon guys. Itong namin guys, snack. Okay guys, tikman natin guys. Ay guys, yung kinakain namin dati guys, mango flavor yon. Ngayon guys, ubi flavor. Okay guys, by flavor to kakainin namin guys. Okay guys, tikman natin guys. Masarap guys. Masarap tong. Magaling tong gumagawa nito guys. Kasi guys, parang marami itong buko guys. Maraming gata siguro guys. Sarap. Sa sunod guys, iba-ibang flavor guys yung ay ipapakita namin sa inyo guys. Okay guys?
Bye guys!